Okay, so this is the experiment for which you are going to conduct the uncertainty analysis. Actually, this is an experiment we are not conducting anymore, so we are going to use just for um, uh, uncertainty analysis. Basically, the idea here is we have a pump here, and there's a pipe, as you can see, through which water is pumped, and there is a flow meter here which shows gallons per hour of the flow rate. So you can see the scale here, right, with the resolution. So, and there are going to be a couple of pipes, horizontal pipes, which run in parallel, but we are going to only be dealing with the one here in the middle or just below the top. That is going to be the straight pipe, right? And so there's going to be water flowing here, top and down. Then we are going to, by closing and opening these valves, we are going to adjust water such that it's going to just pass through this horizontal pipe. And then it drains. It doesn't drain, it comes back, and I think it's used again, so no water is lost. Anyway, so here the important point, there are two points. Let's call this point A, and here, point B. Pressure in between these 2 points are measured. I'm going to show you how pressure is measured in terms of mercury, but unfortunately the manometer has been disabled and taken off. But basically it's going to be what is measured is what once you adjust this flow meter here, let me again show you, to a specific value, you measure the pressure loss between those 2 points, and this is how much straight and clean this pipe is. You may have a look at this here. So it's not a very clean pipe, it's a glass pipe. It seems kind of smooth. And do we have connections, one may say? Here indeed we have one fitting here, and this may cause some additional pressure loss that you may consider. Here this is not a fitting, this is just a bearing device. Actually it's just to hold this glass in position, and we have another fitting here, right? Then the pressure is measured. So if we go to the other side here, indeed pressure was measured using these tubes, which come from different parts of the tube. If I can find the other one, there's also the other one. So these were connected to a manometer here, but the manometer does not exist, so you have to visualize, unfortunately. So we have one of these, right, and another one of these. These are connected to the 2 ends of the manometer, and the distance between the height difference between the 2 arms of the manometer was taken to be the pressure loss value. So basically here for this experiment we need to measure a couple of things. Once we adjust the flow rate, and I'm going to show you the flow rate values, and you may come up with your own uncertainties there. We need to determine the length between the point A, where pressure measurement is taken, and point B. And I'm going to use a ruler for that. Let me stop the video.